Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about the visual effects and the transitions and the behaviors. So now we are going to discuss about the audio effects. As you can see here, the option for the audio effects. So what we have to do, basically, I'm going to delete these all things. And now let's delete this one and now keep this clip here. So now what we need to do, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to go to the audio section, the properties. And now we need to increase the size. As you can see here, the size, we have to click on this. As you can see, if you want to see the options, let's play this. So for using the audio effects, first of all, what we have to do, we have to delete these all, and after deleting these all, we have to drag this video here. For example, I want to use this one. So let's drag this here. And now let's go to the audio effects, and after going to the audio effects, as you can see here, the option for the audio comparison. If you want to change your audio, and if you want to compare your audio, you can also do that. You have to drag this here and on this one, and now you can control the audio. Let's click on this. For example, I want to use this one, this audio, and now we have to drag this here. As you can see, the effect is applied. We have to click on this effect, and now we have to click on this, and you will see the option like this here, the medium and the custom and the high. If you want to use the high one, let's play.
Protests by advocates for both Palestine and Israel
If you want to use the medium, you can also do that.
took a turn yesterday.
So in this way, you can apply these all. So you just have to select this one, and after selecting this, you will see the properties section, all the properties of this. If you want to increase the clip speed, or if you want to fade in or fade out your video, you can also do that. You just have to drag that effect on your video, and after that, you have to click on this, and you will see the properties here, and you can control all the properties from here. So in this way, you can use the audio effects and put it on your video. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this effect, that how you can use this option. So see you guys in the next video.